see behind me is Waterfall up in the North Fork area, close to Liberty in Utah. Our condo is over in Eden, so it's actually pretty close by. Went to Black Rifle Company, got myself a new hat. I'm gonna be retiring my primary weapon systems hat because I've had that one for years. Check out the video, see how we got to this waterfall. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. We're here up in North Fork in Utah. There's a little waterfall hike that we did. Pretty cool. But started the day off with a great coffee at Black Rifle Coffee Company here. Anyways, just wanted to say Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Nice little hike plus coffee. Also took the kids to Sequest in the mall in Layton. It's very interactive, tons of feeding stations. You go in, feed the birds, go in and feed some cats, play with some otters, big old pig in there, lots of feeding tanks, some sharks. Did not expect that to be in the mall, but it was pretty cool still. And I'm trying to fill my kids' lives with as much life experiences as possible as they're young. Enjoy the outdoors, enjoy nature, enjoy things that's just around them. Anyways, I hope all the fathers out there are having a great Father's Day. And remember that we chose to bring our children into the world, so we owe them everything. And they owe us nothing.